I am going to be showing you my new favorite Twitter application ever, because I think especially virtual assistants, or any small business rather actually, that is spending a lot of time on Twitter, using maybe tweet later, future tweets, something of that effect. This particular service kind of brings everything, like the best of all the worlds almost, into one particular place, with the exception of you can't make groups and stuff in this particular thing or in this particular software, but it does a great, awesome ability of scheduling, setting up rolling schedules and all that stuff. So for me, I frequently, like, there's people I like to really pay attention to their stream, see if there's something I'd like to retweet, etc. Except I have a problem with the fact that because of my work schedule and how I'm doing things, I don't always necessarily have the time to be out on Twitter, and then when I am there, I'm like hyperactive for a little bit of time. So this actually helps alleviate some of that. So once you sign up for an account here, one of the first things you want to do, honestly, when you come into the account, I would suggest you sign up for the Plus account. It allows you to manage 2 Twitter accounts, 1,000 API calls per day, 100 scheduled messages per day, unlimited feeds, and using your own Bitly account if you're using Bitly. If you manage a lot of different accounts, then maybe the premium or the max is good. But right now I'm on the $5 a month plan, and I absolutely love this particular plan, because for me, I'm not currently managing anyone else's account. I'm helping, but not to actually put it in here. So go ahead, sign up for the account that works best. The basic, the free one, you only get 5 scheduled messages per day, and for the purposes of what I'm trying to show in this video, that isn't going to be enough for you. Okay, so you go out here, obviously change your time zone, change your rolling schedule. I have mine set up to post tweets every 15 minutes, and then if you have at least the $5 a month plan, you can use your own Bitly account. So then you want to assign your Bitly account here as well. So make sure to set up the things in settings right away. Just tell me everything's okay. All right, so then I'm going to come back here to Twitter accounts. Oh, this is not what I'm looking for. Hit the blue thing to go back to the mainstream. So here you can see, here's all my messages in my inbox right now. If I just wanted to see my @replies, I could quickly click there. I could actually respond to her. And then I could either tweet her immediately, I could add this to my rolling schedule, which I just did, or I could schedule the reply to go to her at an even later time than that. Here I can see tweets that I've posted. So here's messages that I've just recently been sending out, my DM box, my DM outbox, and then here you can add whatever person you want down here. So for example, at Tommy TRC, legal uses of your credit report. If you click this link, then what's going to happen is it will actually open a new browser window, take you to the actual article, so you can read through it first to see if that's something that you're actually interested in retweeting. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you can either instant retweet, sending it out immediately. I could send him a DM, or I can edit and retweet this. So what I'm going to do is, it shows me here the 64 characters. I have plenty of room. If I click this, it's going to add it to my rolling schedule, so it's going to go out at some 15-minute interval at some point, depending on how many other ones I have scheduled right now, or I can schedule this to go out a specific day and time. So in this case, I'm going to leave it at 10:25, and I'm going to tell it to go out at, we'll leave it here, 11:40 a.m. scheduled tweet. That easy to do. To add a new user to your Twitter stream, here you can see I have a whole long list of people that I like to pay attention to on a regular basis. All you have to do is go up here, click the plus sign, Twitter user, just type in the person's name. So Not sure who I'm going to put in here. Let's do CFVA forums. Check for messages. I schedule mine to check for messages every 30 minutes just to kind of save on my API. Certainly choose whatever you want. Click add. Then it's going to pull through all the recent tweets from that person. And you can see now how easy that was that it pulled it through. You can see when they tweeted that. You can also go visit their profile if you'd like. I could stop following VA forums if I wanted from here. And it gives you, nice little, different things. So go ahead and click out of there. So that's one way you can add a person. Now let's say you are looking at someone else's stream and you see someone that they're talking to that maybe you'd like to go ahead and, okay, Deb Soul, let her here. Okay, I don't currently have Deb on my list of Twitter streams right now, so if I wanted, all I have to do is click this little arrow right here, and it's going to automatically add Deb to the list of people that I'm watching and want to possibly pay attention to. All right, so Deb, for example, edit and retweet that I showed before, add that to my rolling schedule. If I wanted to see what I have in my rolling schedule, it's as easy as going to this little alarm clock up here in the left-hand corner. So now you can see that some of these, the red means it hasn't been posted yet. These are ones that I actually scheduled. That's what the little calendar icon stands for. I chose a specific date and time to post it. So here you can see I have this chosen to post Thursday, October 29th at 9:45 a.m. This thing here shows that I have it set up as on my rolling schedule, which if I wanted to, let's see if I can find some other rolling schedules. I don't have rolling schedules really set up today. I did some yesterday, but I haven't really done some today. But you could see here, bump this to post sooner, bump this to post later. So you can see here it's going to show this at 11:35 this morning. So that's how easy it is to find things through people's streams that you like, but not to totally like overwhelm your followers all at one time. There you go. Add her to the rolling schedule. You can quickly, scroll through the thing that they have right here. It'll keep pulling up, the last, tweets that they have. So it's really super easy, to do this. Allows you to, do things. Here you go. Add him to my rolling schedule. So that's how easy it is to set up retweets for Twitter, people's Twitter streams that you really like and enjoy. And then the other thing that's incredibly awesome about this is if you go to the RSS client feeds. So for example, I haven't set up a whole lot of these yet, but let's go here to Zen Habits. It's going to pull up all the recent blog posts that they've had. Here you can click on the link. It's going to take you out to the article. You can read through the article again, see if you like it. If you do, again, just click here to either schedule it for a specific date or time or to add to your rolling schedule. There you are. That's how fast it is. If you want to edit it, you could do it this way. In this case, I'm not going to because I already scheduled it to go out. If I wanted to show crossed off on my list so that I don't tweet it again, I click on the star while holding down the control button at the same time. There you can tell it's out. So let's say, for example, let's go out. We all love Chris Brogan, right? So let's see if we can find Chris Brogan's website. All right, go to Chris Brogan. Here we are. It's thinking through. Subscribe to his RSS feed. All right, so here we go. Grab his feed URL. I just did Control C there. Come back here, add a new feed. There's the location. You're going to put in the URL, name, whatever you want that, lets you know what it is. Type, that's RSS. Click add. Here we go. So again, that's how easy it is to add new feeds. So if you have a lot of feeds in your Google Reader that you're interested in sharing with people, that's how incredibly easy it is just to, you know, add it in to your rolling schedule, and that way you can maintain some presence while you're off working on other things or whatever the case is. So you've seen the incredibly coolness of this particular thing. If you use it, let me know what you think. And also, too, when you first sign up, they have little prompts that'll pop up to help you. I've just been using it for about a week now, so I've closed out most of those prompts. But it will kind of help you, as you go through and everything to figure out what steps to take next as you're setting things up. Enjoy!